Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are looking at the XIUXIUZSX electric mason jar sealer kit. This is an automatic jar sealer for wide and regular mouth mason jars. And this is how it comes. Let's go ahead and get into the box and see what we get. All right, so here is the full accessory set, including 20 sealing lids, and 2 vacuum bags, a jar opener, because once you get them sealed, sometimes they can be a little tough to open, and a charging cable here. The set is compatible with all of the standard wide and regular mouth mason jars. We've got a couple here that we're gonna test on. And we have the device itself. This is the actual vacuum pump. It has single button operation. The vacuum sealing is a 40-second smart auto stop, and it has a nice HD LED display, and runs on battery, so it doesn't have to be plugged in the whole time. You can charge it up with that USB-C. And we have it here, USB-A to USB-C cable. It'll have a battery indicator. I'm going to show you all of this as we do a test run here. The high power pure copper motor removes 99% of the air inside the jar and helps keep food fresh up to 7 times longer. So really nice. The Type-C charging cable is really compact. Now when these come, the HD display is nicely covered with a protective layer. On the bottom, you can see the food grade ABS shell. This is a thickened silicone sealing ring that helps get this vacuum sealing job done really quickly. So let's go ahead and get into these air valve lids and see what those look like. All right, so you can see the valve on the lid there. And you can see how this would fit just over that silicone ring. So very nice. And let's test the fit over the jars. So here's a large size mason jar. And here's a smaller size one. So if we take a large ring, you see that wouldn't work real well. But if we take one of our smaller rings, you see that that's a very, very nice and perfect fit. So I like that. In addition to the other features, they've also included this nice bag clip for people who, especially those who have dexterity issues in their hands. A nice clip like this will allow you to seal your Ziploc bags without having to press too hard with your fingers to seal them. So very nice addition to this bag set for vacuum sealing. So all of this is very much focused on ease of use. You've got one touch on the vacuum pump itself, a device to help you seal the bags, the appropriately sized lids with the lid opener as well. So really nice kit for vacuum sealing. So let's go ahead and seal one of these. Put our silicone ring over, and it's a one touch. And on the top here, we're getting a countdown. So that's very helpful to be able to see how long we're sealing for. As I mentioned before, it's a 40-second cycle. Now that cycle is complete, you can see that it's still stuck on there because of the vacuum seal being that good. So that's reassuring. And then if we take this off, you can see that the vacuum seal has indeed sealed. All right, so let's go ahead and use our opener and open up our seal. Nice, and you can hear the vacuum escape from that. And we can do a test on the small one as well. and similarly, really tight vacuum seal. And break the seal on our silicone, and you can see that both size jars seal very nicely. The sizing is good, and I understand now why they give you that kind of bottle opener attachment, because if you don't already have a bottle opener, you probably want one to open these back up. And so, nice release of the vacuum there, and it does what it's supposed to do, which is something we always like to see. You also get a couple of these vacuum bags. They have a section on them to write the date and what the item is. So that's very nice. And let's seal one of these. So we've opened up one, and can attach our device here. This has a little ring that you can attach to, and again, one touch and it starts. And you can see the bag compress down, and of course there's nothing in it, but you can see that it's creating a very tight vacuum seal. It'll run its 40-second cycle, as it does each time. The one touch is really nice. You don't have to really think about it. There's nothing to hold. You just touch the button, and it gives you the % battery after it's done. The charging port, USB-C charging right there on the top, and a nice hanging strap. That might be nice if somebody has under counter, maybe a place for pans or other accessories that you can hang this on. So nice touch to it. So we finish our 40-second cycle, and boom, take off that. And so you get two of these kind of smaller size bags with it. And same as with the lids, open it up and you see the vacuum release. So very nice kit for vacuum sealing both the two different sizes of mason jars, as well as getting into vacuum sealing with these bags. Really nice touch. Ultimately, they've put together a really nice hassle-free option for food storage, ideal for preserving fruits, vegetables, nuts, coffee beans, grains, spices, meats, even baby food, sauces, jams, anything you can think of. I really like the rechargeable nature of this. The screen is big and easy to read. That's very helpful. The weight of this is only 260 grams. One of the things that we like to do when we travel to Airbnbs is we always cook when we're traveling, and food storage is always a potential issue when you're away from home. And this is so compact, it's something that we could even take with us. So perfect for the home kitchen and pantry storage, lunch prep, food prep, that kind of stuff, but also could even be thought of as a somewhat of a travel device, just because of the size being so small and compact. The sealer itself has ABS plastic that it's made from, so it's pretty heavy duty and robust. It is non-toxic, shock-proof, and safe for direct contact with any foods. It's also scratch resistant and sturdy enough to be used long term. Now, ideally, you want to cool hot food before sealing, so you want to let things like soups, jams, meats, and all of that stuff to come down somewhat toward room temperature before you do the sealing. You want to leave about 1 inch of headspace at the top of any mason jars that you're sealing. That'll prevent any of the liquid backflow into the vacuum itself and protect the motor. Will also ensure a nice tight seal. Overall, it's a nice bit of kit. It includes 10 of each of the lid sizes, 2 of the bags, the device itself, and the bottle opener, and the charger. So kind of has everything that you would need to get started with vacuum sealing of foods. I also really like that the company provides a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee and a 1-year free replacement promise for any manufacturing defects. They also have a 24/7 dedicated customer support line to help with any issues. So all of those things kind of make me feel more secure about the item itself. Hopefully this video helps you decide whether this vacuum sealer is right for you. As always, I appreciate you for tuning into my reviews. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks so much. Bye.